Sashimi. I am putting in my order for sushi.
Where?
Sashimi.
I'm gonna order some.
I don't know. Bikuri sushi.
Sasai?
Huh? Because the profile has. You were saying it has no.
Tastes amazing until they get like 5 days after. You hear that first crack? Yeah. That's a loud, good first crack right now. And now as we start to smell that, it starts to smell really kind of fruity. Sorry, don't. Are you ready? Yeah, right. Alright, 4, so 11:20. So this is like a beautiful, beautiful roast of that coffee. It's exactly where I wanted to take it. And I'll even let you guys go ahead and we can cup it a little bit. I want to see.
So what do you think, flavor profile-wise, the best things, the primary notes to be looking for when I'm dialing in?
I would say if you're getting some like kind of that yellow fruit flavors, that kind of bright, clean, watch for it on the finish. These naturals, the finish is really important because if you, either way, it's going to taste really good in milk and it's going to have that kind of fruitiness, but we want the finish to be clean because if the customer orders just a straight shot of espresso, we want the finish clean. So where it leaves our mouth feeling like really refreshed and like kind of that bright, fruity florals, like you can get some of those.
I mean, like, 'cause I know the last one.
Let me underneath your skin. A paradise of
Ask what I was thinking about when I did that.
What?
What? No one. Okay, so there's a story behind this package. Panther Coffee stopped selling the Santa Lucia Brazil. So they asked, no. I asked them, do you have any cool stuff that you're working on right now? And she says, as a matter of fact, we do. So welcome to our new Nicaraguan. It has flavor notes of sweet black cherry, strawberry milk, and clove. Like, I'm so excited about it.
It's really good. I like that a lot.
It's new. It's the Nicaraguan Turpos Brazilian.
let me underneath your skin.
Chepe Jose asks, what's your pet peeve that customers do to you?
I would say one is not like having any faith in us. Like when they come in, like, why would you do this? Why would you change that? And they doubt like our intentions. Like we're trying to do mean things to them.
When they grab the register and try to do it themselves, and then they can't figure it out, and I'm like, well, that's because you don't work here. I don't know.
when they get mad at us for not having other things here when we're trying so hard to give them so many cool options. Like, well, why wouldn't you do this? Why wouldn't you do that? Sorry. That's about it. By not reading the menu. You should read the menu. There's a lot of cool facts on there that'll answer a lot of questions.
Melis Cat G asks, do you miss me like I miss you guys?
No. Sarah!
So much, except you never come here to visit. So,
Yeah, she never comes. Just
so I don't know if I can say I miss you as much.
Did you burn the syrup?
No. That's why the timer's there, so we don't burn it.
So Slice of Gary asks, what's the Wi-Fi password?
It's always on the picture frames. Always.
Always. Usually right in front of where your hands are. That's another thing.
People have to like
Where's the
bump
Wi-Fi?
into the frame to ask us that question. Like they're usually touching the frame. Or the answer is
But currently,
right there.
it's Vespr snaps.
But it's Vespr snaps, but it changes. Which is why we write it down on the frame.
Caleb B. Morgan asks, will the hipster crush ever come back?
No, sir.
Never. It's been destroyed off the face of the earth.
It's gone.
It is gone.
Bye.
Cornbread Cuban asks, pancakes or waffles?
Waffles, for sure.
Pancakes. Vanilla chai pancakes.
I didn't say what kinds.
Kinda exotic. Yeah. Over at World Market, they have this vanilla chai powder. Anyways,
You can put that in a waffle though.
you can, but I like pancakes.
Waffle.
French toast.
That's not for the option, but duh, French toast are for both. Yeah,
Okay, cool.
of course.
Elijah Tech asks, Superman or Batman?
Batman. Batman for sure.
Batman.
Yeah.
Why?
Because he's kind of normal. He's just really rich.
He's like, he doesn't like bats. It's totally understandable. He's like, Batman for sure. I relate to him more.
Alright.
Right.
And he's got
I
a really
relate
cool
to him
car.
because-
I like his car.
It's not like we have
Batmobile.
superpowers.
Yeah, no. Yeah.
Laura C. Walden asks, what's my favorite TV show? So what's her favorite?
Friends or Seinfeld?
She loves The Office.
It's embarrassing.
Oh. Gossip Girl.
Vampire Diaries.
She loves them both. She watches Vampire Diaries and Gossip Girl on repeat. For sure.
Xander Rice. Do you guys have that one small hobby you guys cherish the most but don't tend to speak about?
I think I have any hobbies.
I like doing aerial if I have money to take classes. That's really fun. You like to do plants. You like to take care of plants.
That's true.
That's your hobby.
I like to ride on my bicycle.
I like to read.
I don't know if I have any. Was it embarrassing hobbies?
I like to make tiramisu. Cooking.
I like to eat.
Reading.
If hobbies is
Eating.
eat.
Yeah.
If eating is a hobby.
It could be. If you're one of those foodies.
So, Wildly Beautiful Mess asks, what
That's a
each
weird name.
barista's
What a
middle
weird name.
What's their middle name?
Each of them?
Each barista's.
Okay. Lynn.
Earl. Oh, that's funny. Laugh.
I think Anna's middle name is, oh shoot.
It's embarrassing. Okay.
Elizabeth?
It's an E.
Is it Elizabeth?
Oh, we're such bad friends. Yeah.
I've heard Laura told me
It's
hers
not. It
recently.
can't be.
What's Ed's?
Laura's is Claire.
Claire.
Claire. Okay. What's Ed's?
What's Ed's?
Starts with an A.
Oh shoot, I used to know this. That's not, it's not with an
Alan.
A. Alexander?
Alexander.
Something more obscure, I used to know it. I have a
What's
picture.
I don't know Bryce's either.
I have a picture
I don't
of
know.
his.
It's alright though.
I don't know any of the baristas that
What
well.
about Amy's?
Amy.
Oh shoot.
Something.
It's something with a C. Chantel.
Yes.
I like Amy the most.
What are we missing? Rachel.
Rachel.
I thought about her in my head, but I just didn't know her middle name.
Rachel Professor. Woman.
Gatinki asks, do you come from a land down under where women glow and men plunder? Can't you hear that thunder?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Michelle Marie,
Hit me.
what's the hardest thing about making coffee?
I think the hardest would be dialing in. When your stomach's like, if you're not
Yeah.
getting it, you can only take so much
Like
espresso.
after you, if it takes a long time, you start to like taste like a million shots in a row. they all hurt. No, I don't know. Just making sure you're always on top of it and always tasting, constantly being aware. I guess that's hard sometimes, especially in a flow. You're like, I don't know. You gotta double check it all the time.
Let me underneath your skin. I can hold you from within.
We're coming. Do it over there.
It was Laura's. It was my idea. I didn't think that it would dip concrete. Like a precious stone.